Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a couple of the goodies that I picked up from the Hobby Lobby clearance. Now, you guys know that I always tell you that I don't have a Hobby Lobby near me, so of course I need my help of my I need the help, not my help. I need the help of my crafty friends, and of course that is how I get my hands on some Hobby Lobby goodies without paying tons of shipping. And I actually get my items pretty fast. So, as you can see here, as I have displayed here, I have the ribbons that I picked up this past week. I did do an IGTV haul, but I know that some of my ladies over here don't have IG, so I figured let me just do a quick YouTube video showing you guys what I picked up from all the clearance jazz and all that stuff from Hobby Lobby. So I did pick up more ribbons because I'm obsessed with these. I love them. They go so well with so many projects. I got the peach one, the pink one, the blue one I didn't have, the mint green one. These three are all backups. And then I didn't have the white one, and I also didn't have this color, which is the hot pink. So I did pick these up from Brenda. You guys already know who she is. She's Zavala1354 on Instagram. So that's what I got as far as ribbon wise. Amy Franco on Instagram picked up these super cute LOL washi tapes for me. She picked up practically the whole collection. I have almost everything except the 12 by 12 paper pad. So she did get the washies. I'm sure you guys have seen these a million times. So that's another item that I got. Also picked up this Merchant 41 cheesecloth in pink. It's currently clearance down to $1.24. I saw Tony haul this and I thought it would be fun to add in like that pastel Halloween that's going around. Even though I'm not gonna do any swaps for Halloween, I'm probably gonna do projects to show on my channel. Also picked up one of these ATG gun tapes. You get 2 rolls and they clearance them down to $2.49, regular price $9.99, so that is an amazing deal. Also got some glitter dot organza. Also, I think Tony hauled this. I want the gold one, but I got the pink one for now, and then I'll get the gold one later on. $1.24, you guys. Of course, got me some bows. These super cute bows. I like the size of these. The glitter ones are nice, but I don't like the size. They're a little too big for my taste, but these are just perfect. And these were $1.24 each as well. And then a few other things that I got were these little sticky notes from LOL. It's LOL. It sounds like I'm saying LOL. But I was missing this pack, and this one is the one that I wanted because of the lashes. So cute. And that bow. So now I have both sticky notes. And then I also got some of these cute little rosettes. So pretty. Love the colors. And some stickers. I got the blonde girls. I got these. And these. Look at that lipstick, you guys. How fun. Then we got this one. More girls. So cute. I love the bows on the head. And then I was missing this stamp kit, and now I have it. It's all the little girls. I love this one. This is my favorite. Super cute. And then of course, you guys know I had to get some dies. So I found this one off Brenda. I wanted this one so bad. I'm not sure how that's gonna look, but I definitely wanted it. So I picked that one up, and that was only $3.74. And then I also got the Sizzix Framelits Stephanie Bernard, the stars. I got the pineapple one. I got the Sizzix Thinlits, the Tim Holtz, the words. I also got the Sizzix Thinlits Jen Long. These are super cute. I love the words. The donut is adorable. I cannot wait to cut these. Mermaids. And then I got the Genlong donut card, I think it is. Yeah, the fold-along card. This is so adorable. Look at that, you guys. And then I got the Beauty and the Beast. It looks super intricate, but I don't know if the faces look a little creepy, you guys. But I got that. And then the last two items from Hobby Lobby are these super chunky glitter papers. I got the mint green and the pink. You guys, the chunk is so real. I've never seen paper like this at Michael's, so I was happy to get my hands on these because they are so cute. Look at that. I cannot wait to make something with this. They look so fun. And then the last two items that I want to show you guys are two items that I picked up from Amazon, and they are the Tim Holtz Thinlits dies, the butterfly dies. I got the medium size one, or I don't know if this was the small ones, and then the medium size ones. So these are the two dies that I picked up from Amazon. And yeah, you guys, that is my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.